Hey everybody, look who I found. She's back. My solo trip is all complete. It went almost too smooth towards the end of the trip, and it just wasn't worth me videotaping and telling you guys just how smooth everything was going. It just didn't really make much sense to make videos about it. So, but we are back and ready to travel on more forward together.
Oh my.
Something like that. Just a couple real quick things. I wanted to remind everybody about the Surecall giveaway. It is ending shortly. I think just in the next couple days. We have a little over 200 entries, and somebody's going to win the $450 valued Surecall Fusion to Go 3.0 RV system.
Just like that.
Just like that. Something else that I'm very excited about is that I am co-developing a podcast with Sean Chickery from Chikery's Travels. So it's going to be a podcast about the people and ideas behind services, apps, products, manufacturing, and we hope to give everybody a behind-the-scenes look of what goes on in the RV industry, how it all comes together, and keeps on driving forward. The RV industry right now has been growing for the last couple years and is getting stronger and stronger. More people are getting even more involved, which is creating all these cool new products that are coming out and services. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun. We have a lot of guests already scheduled, and we're looking to put out about 2 podcasts a month. So look for that very shortly. Middle to end of September will be the first release of the first episode. Really, I mean, can't even explain how excited. It's all I've been talking about for the last couple weeks. Probably even longer than that. So something else that I'm excited about.
What is it?
Is that Winnebago is going to fly me out to Elkhart, Indiana in September.
Okay.
Now you know.
I remember now.
For the RV open house, which I honestly have to say, I never heard of this RV open house before, but apparently it's considered like the largest business meeting in America or something like that. Over 4,000 people gather. And what it is where the manufacturers show their products for the very first time to the dealers. And I guess they're almost kind of trying, I'm guessing anyway, that they're trying to sell these products to the dealers so that the dealers purchase them and then resell them to the public. And Winnebago wants me out there to MC their Facebook Live.
Yay.
Yeah, I think that's going to be really fun. I think it'll be a lot of fun. It's pretty cool. I'm excited because Winnebago is coming out with a brand new RV this year that nobody has seen. They won't tell me anything about it, but apparently I'm going to be able to do a walkthrough of it, interview the person that created the RV, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I think it'll be a lot of fun. So that'll be coming up shortly. I believe that's like mid-late September also, right around when our podcast gets released. So it'll be a busy week for sure. My newest blog is out on Winnebagolife. It's about maintenance. People ask us a lot, or they ask me a lot, about all the steps that I take to keep the motorhome running. And I broke it up into 2 sections. The first section is out right now. It's everything that I do on the outside of the RV. The second half will come out next week, and that's everything that I do inside the RV, including electrical and plumbing. What do you have to say? People always say, you don't let Sabrina talk. Let Sabrina talk.
I don't do any maintenance, so
Well,
I'm excited to read it and see what you do.
It doesn't have to be about maintenance. What's going on in Sabrina's life?
What's going on in
You just got
Sabrina's
done
life?
12?
I just got off of a big stint at 12 to 17-hour shifts. And
12 days in a row.
12 days in a row. I'm glad to be done with that.
And you're still almost smiling.
I'm still smiling. It was a special experience, but I'm still smiling. I was originally just supposed to do 7 days, but then there was an emergency that Kenny told you guys about. So then I ended up picking up an extra 5 at the beginning of my stretch. It was special. I haven't done that many hours in a long time. And I think it came out to 100 and almost 60 hours in the 12 days. So it was pretty special. But it's done. I'm excited it's done. And yeah, that's what's going on in my life.
And we got to meet a very special viewer. Everybody's special viewers. But we were staying at a welcome center, and we were getting out of our car and walking towards our motorhome, and we heard someone yelling our name. Very excited to be yelling our name.
I heard Sabrina! I was like, what?
And we met Starlene and Dwight. Starlene is a self-proclaimed super fan of our YouTube channel. It's a really small world. I mean, you think about how large the country is, and that, you know, we're a relatively small YouTube channel that she just happens to be at the same...
Right, because we didn't announce where we were going to be.
No, nobody knows where...
Like that,
yeah, we keep that hush-hush where we're at.
So the chances of that were pretty slim, but it was pretty cool.
Just a random welcome center. And we went out to dinner.
Had an awesome time. They're so fun.
They're very fun. Very nice people. We did have a great time.
We laughed a lot.
We laughed a lot. And then we parted ways, but hey, Starlene. Hey, Dwight. So I think that's everything that's going on. And I believe Wednesday is the announcement of the winner for the Surecall Fusion. So
is it wrong if I ask you about that since I actually haven't watched the video on the giveaway?
What do you want to ask about it?
How is the winner getting picked?
It's just completely random.
Is it a site that's actually...
Yeah.
Guys, you see, this is what happens. Is it a site that's actually picking it? I was just curious, because I know there's programs that do it, but I wasn't sure.
Yeah, we're using a...
I wasn't sure what we were using.
Yeah, we're using a program. That is everything. We will catch you guys later. Have a happy, safe traveling weekend.
I almost said have a happy holiday. There's no holiday.
Have a happy holiday, everybody.
Guys.
Bye.